Yo, what up, One Coalition? Hey, look, shout out to everybody. I hope everybody having a blessed day. Yo, shout out to all the supporters, everybody who know what's up and know why I'm doing what I'm doing and know why I'm continue to do what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? We fighting up against a grifter and somebody who's trying to change history and lead kids astray. That's my main purpose, to try to get these kids who coming up, you know what I'm saying, to understand that we are one people. Like I always say, we are one. But today, I'm here to speak on the tweet that Tariq nasheed put out. But before I do that, for those of you who don't know what's going on, a 16-year-old black teenager went to a house in Kansas City, Missouri. He was looking to pick up his siblings, but he went to the wrong house, and he was shot in the head twice by a white supremacist. I'm gonna read the story for you. A white 84-year-old homeowner who allegedly shot and wounded Ralph Yarl, a black teen, after the 16-year-old went to the wrong house to pick up his siblings, will face 2 felony charges. Clay County Prosecutor's Attorney Zachary Thompson announced early Monday morning. Andrew Lester will face charges of assault in the first degree and armed criminal conviction. Authorities have issued a warrant for his arrest, and he's not currently in custody. All right, so Tariq nasheed put up a tweet on his Twitter account, and he was saying, yeah, like he hopes the kid heals and stuff like that. I'm gonna put the tweet up, you can read it verbatim, but I'm just breaking it down. He was saying like pretty much, I hope that he heals, and then he jumps on to say that he comes from an immigrant Liberian family. And those of you who know what I always speak on, I'm an Americo-Liberian. So if you know the history of Americo-Liberians, if there was a such thing as an FBA, Americo-Liberians are FBA. They are people who were here, came as slaves here, and then migrated back to Liberia and then came back. So y'all know, I don't have to get into that right now because I got videos on my page that have talked about that. So y'all can check that out. And for you FBA people who don't know about it, y'all go do your research. So the thing that bothered me was, it's like, what does that have to do with anything? And if you go through the comments on his Twitter, you will see that people were saying like, what does that have to do with anything? And he's joking around and being funny. It seems like he has a bunch of ignorant people who are following him because they think shit's funny. The man went from a pimp to a comedian to a damn grifter to, you know what I'm saying, trying to change history. And whoever supporting whatever foundation or authorities who are supporting him, they know what they're doing. You know what I'm saying? Every time the black community starts to progress, they'll bring somebody in like a mole, espionage to fuck shit up. And I believe he's a mole. Like, he's here to do this shit what he's doing right now. But the thing that bothers me is you have ignorant people, ignorant grown people who know where their roots come from and know, and then especially the African people who be on his page and supporting him and stuff like that after he calls y'all tethers. Similar to when a white person's calling a black person a nigga. That's what he's doing right now. He's making a group of people feel like they are superior to foreigners, and it's weird as hell that y'all supporting them. So my question to him is, it's like, bro, don't you have okay, so let me get to the point. He said that the auntie of the kid who started the GoFundMe has a white husband, and how they're like bedwitching pretty much. So my question to him was, bro, don't you have a white mother-in-law? Isn't your wife half white? Like, does it not resonate to the FBA that this man is like a contradiction, a walking contradiction, breathing contradiction, stupid looking contradiction, dumbass nigga? Like, the shit pisses me off, man. It's like, yo, we dealing with grown people. Like, you know what I'm saying? The ignorance, they say ignorance is bliss, and that shit is bliss as hell. Because yet still, you still have people in my comment section talking dumb shit, but don't even know history. Like, they don't even care to know history. Everybody just looking for something to follow, but you following the wrong things. You're getting led astray by a nigga who was stupid as hell. The nigga, well, I ain't gonna say he's stupid as hell. He's really smart because he's doing the art of separation, you know what I'm saying? But the thing that fucks me up is he's doing it amongst our people. And our people are not smart enough to go search, you know what I'm saying? These FBA people, they're a different breed of people, and it's weird as hell. But I just wanted to bring this to awareness, you know what I'm saying? Like, stop following the contradictions, man. I started this channel in order to bring people together, you know what I'm saying? But when I started realizing what the fuck was going on with this dude right here, man, I had to speak truth, you know what I'm saying? And everything that I put out there is truth, it's fact. You can do your research if you want to know. But look, man, I had to get that off my chest, man. I appreciate everybody who support the channel. Like, those of y'all who are my loyal subscribers, man, shout out to y'all. I appreciate y'all for the content y'all send me, for everything that y'all do to support me. Yo, I appreciate y'all, man. Hey, look, everybody like, comment, subscribe. One Coalition. with you know that I'm with it, you know that I'm with it.